5 new apps that I think are really interesting and useful. Let's start. The first one is MyKey, a really good password manager app, and it also works as a two-factor authentication app. I used to use LastPass and I shifted from that to MyKey because of one feature that MyKey has that is better over LastPass. MyKey stores all the passwords offline, so that is much better for security because LastPass stores all the passwords on their servers. And both mobile and desktop apps are designed really well and are easy to use. And you can see the 2FA codes added on your mobile phone on your desktop app as well. But maybe don't do that. What's the point of having a two-factor authentication code if you can see them on your desktop too? That defeats the whole purpose. But it's a cool feature to have. The app is completely free. You can even use it on 2 devices. The data on your computer will automatically sync to your phone if both use the same account and both have access to internet. You can also use MyKey to store notes, credit card information, addresses, etc. and all of that will be securely stored offline. The second app on the list is JustWatch. It's an app to find new shows and movies based on which streaming services you use. You can select whatever streaming service you use like Prime Video or Netflix and it will show new and trending content only available on that streaming service. The best part about JustWatch is that it shows a chronological order of all the new content added or released on that service. Like if you select only Netflix and select new in the app, you can see what new content was added to Netflix. And there are some search filters you can apply when searching to find the exact kind of shows and movies you want to watch. So this is a good app to turn to if you don't know what to watch or if you want to see what's new on Netflix or any other streaming service. The third app is Mi Control Center. The design of the Mi Control Center is based on the redesigned look of the control center in MIUI 12. It can show you notifications, control data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. And the design looks really cool. For some settings, it does ask you to open the system notification panel and click on the setting you want to toggle. This is only asked for the first time you use some settings. And there are a ton of customization options too. You can change the icon shapes, colors, background colors, shading, animations. And you might want to disable the system pop-up notifications from the Mi Control Center app because sometimes when you get a notification, you get the pop-up from Android and Mi Control Center. But to disable that, you need to connect your phone to your computer and type an ADB command. It's not too complicated, but you do need to install some software on your computer and it's an extra step that you need to take. The fourth app is called Slowly. It's basically an app to find pen pals. A pen pal is a person you would write letters to and communicate with them through letters only. Most of the time, someone would have a pen pal to learn a language or just to talk with a stranger without meeting them in person. So this app is basically that, but on your phone. When you first create an account, you can select your interests and the messages you send into the world will go to people who have similar interests to you. But the messages aren't sent instantly. They will take a few hours or days to reach people based on which country they are from, like sending a real letter. And the fifth app is a game called Tomb of the Mask. It's a really fun puzzle game. You have to clear rooms and collect all the dots. Simple, right? But the real challenge comes from the puzzle-like design of the rooms and the difficult obstacles you have to avoid to get to the end of the room. And there are also power-ups to help you on your journey. Overall, the game is really fun and you can easily get addicted to it. And that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any other cool, interesting apps in the comments below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.